इन्ना वड्डा कुत्ता रखिया तू तेरी खैर चुम मैनू चुम चट
He's my bodyguard. Hello.
hello how are you
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good I'm new here very first time
Okay, then welcome.
thank you very much
Mandy, are you still here? Or you are not here
Veronica
anymore?
UK Slovakia Veronica how are you
I am
you're
very
from
well. How are you?
wow very good you're from Slovakia or UK
Yeah.
Slovakia
Yes, Slovakia. Yeah, correct.
oh very good
Please, everyone, tap on your screen. If you're not typing, please leave. Sorry.
no problem maybe you need fexofenadine tablet you know anti-allergic tablet fexofenadine or
I was
levocitrazine maybe
No, you know what? I was suffering from illness since last Saturday, you know? So it's okay. It's okay now. It's better than before.
drink some
Mandy,
soup or tea coffee or
hot wine, hot wine. Mandy, Mandy, this is sorry, Mandy. This is a hot wine.
otherwise you can take tablet you know I know the generic name levocitrazine or fexofenadine or loratadine like
Listen,
that
I not like to take the medication.
really
Yeah. No.
welcome Primo welcome double
If
tap on
I
screen
If I must, then yes. But if I can resist without medication, then I will not take it. No chance.
are you single
Of
Veronica
course, happy single, Leo.
official account UK what you said I can't hear
I said that I am happy single.
very single
Happy single.
happy single oh now I get
No man, no stress.
really
Mm-hmm.
it's mean men's are stress
Of course. And women are the same, so.
yeah my words you took my words Periuma joined welcome double tap on screen मोहम्मद तैयब भाई डबल टैप कर दें ये जीरो से गम कम हटे डबल टैप ऑन स्क्रीन मोहम्मद तैयब भाई डबल टैप करें स्क्रीन के ऊपर
Oh, I will be sleep very well.
hot wine I listened first time it's hot wine or
Yeah,
something
hot wine with the orange juice.
no it's alcohol
Yes, but you boiled it, so the alcohol go away from there.
you're living alone over there
Yeah,
तैयब
with
भाई
my.
डबल टैप करो
Thank you so much for the roses. Thank you. I live with my dog. I live with my dog and my cat. Thank you.
which dog you have Veronica? Which dog which breed
I have a mix. I have mixed pit bull with a staffy.
which wool is very dangerous
Leo.
you have small one or big one
Look.
oh it's big इन्ना वड्डा कुत्ता रखिया तू तेरी खैर चुम मैनू चुम चट
He's my bodyguard. He's my
yeah
bodyguard.
लग भी रहा bodyguard yeah your bodyguard and which cat you have
It's mixed as well, but it's already in the bed. It's sleeping already.
oh very good
Thank you so much for the likes. I really appreciate. Oh yeah, I'm not.
I follow your account, Veronica. I follow your
Thank you
account.
so much.
You also follow me.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm already lost because I'm new here, na? First day,
Okay.
first day. Maybe
Okay, just. Hmm?
after few days, maybe I have friends like you.
So good
Then
luck.
get roses.
Good luck.
Roses.
Good luck.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for the match.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.